Welcome to Green Scholar. If you want to learn botany, do subscribe for daily updates. Thank you. Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about the functions of endoplasmic reticulum. We are discussing this separately. There is a separate video on structure of endoplasmic reticulum. Due to its extensive structure, we will discuss separately regarding the functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so based on the structure, endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. One is rough endoplasmic reticulum and other is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so as we know, the rough endoplasmic reticulum having the ribosome, that's why the surface is rough and that's why it is called as rough endoplasmic reticulum. In smooth endoplasmic reticulum there are no ribosomes, so the surface is smooth, that's why it is called as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So based on the presence of ribosome and absence of ribosome, the functionality varies between rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so first is the protein synthesis. You know very well that protein synthesis is one of the major part or the function which is being carried in any cell. Okay, so during that synthesis of protein, the main carrier or the main site of protein synthesis is ribosome. So that ribosome, as it is being situated on rough endoplasmic reticulum, so rough endoplasmic reticulum is a main site of protein synthesis, and in the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, as there are no ribosome, so there is no role of protein synthesis in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so it is very logical that presence of ribosome, so there will be protein synthesis will be there. Okay, and no ribosome, no protein synthesis. Next is the lipid synthesis. Okay, so as in rough endoplasmic reticulum, just remember, due to ribosome it is the protein synthesis, but in smooth endoplasmic reticulum it is main site for the lipid synthesis. Okay, so just remember that these two sides of rough and smooth are the opposite for like protein synthesis and lipid synthesis. Okay, third one is protein processing. Okay, the processing of protein means the folding and modification, which generally takes part in rough endoplasmic reticulum, where in smooth endoplasmic reticulum it is not involved. Okay, so wherever the ribosome is there, all the things which are related to the protein will be carried on. Okay, next is protein transport. So once the protein are being folded and modified, they need to transfer from rough endoplasmic to Golgi apparatus. Okay, so that it all being done by rough endoplasmic reticulum. So it is involved in rough endoplasmic reticulum, while in smooth endoplasmic reticulum it helps in intracellular transport. Right, so it is there, but it just helps in intracellular transport. Okay, next is membrane formation. Okay, here during the new cell formation, when the daughter cell is being produced, the rough endoplasmic reticulum helps for the synthesis of protein, while smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps for the synthesis of the membrane. Okay, and next is detoxification. For the detoxification, the major role is played by the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It detoxifies the drugs and harmful substances. Okay, where in rough endoplasmic reticulum the role is very minor. Okay, next is the carbohydrate metabolism, where again smooth endoplasmic reticulum plays a major role in metabolism activity of carbohydrate. Okay, so while rough endoplasmic reticulum have a very small role or a minor role for the carbohydrate metabolism. Similarly, the calcium storage, which is again performed by the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, it stores and releases the calcium ion whenever it is being required by the cell. Okay, and next is steroid synthesis. It's one of the important synthesis which is being taken place in the cell, and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum generally helps for the synthesis of the steroid. Okay, next is the last, that is the major occurrence. So rough endoplasmic reticulum is generally being present in the cells which secretes the proteins, while the smooth endoplasmic reticulum will be majorly present in the liver cells, muscle and steroid secreting cells. So this is a major occurrence, or the in which cell you will find rough endoplasmic reticulum more in number or smooth endoplasmic reticulum more in number. So these are the major functions of rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Remember that the rough can be changed into the smooth, okay, while the smooth can again change into the rough one, okay. Like rough endoplasmic reticulum can interchange into smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and smooth can interchange into rough endoplasmic reticulum just by attachment of the ribosomes, and based on that the number of rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum will be changing in the cell to cell. So there is no specific number in the cell, like only this many number of rough endoplasmic reticulum will be present, or vice versa, or for the smooth endoplasmic reticulum based on their functionality there will be they can be interchanged in the number also, okay. So this was about the functions of rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Hope you understand, and in competitive exam or in your exam the function can be asked. So keep in mind, wherever there is a ribosome, okay, it will be related to the protein synthesis, and wherever there is no ribosome it will be related to the lipid synthesis or steroid synthesis or carbohydrate metabolism, okay. This is also one of the major function, that is detoxification, okay. It will remove all the impurities from your cells, okay. So this was in detail regarding the functions of endoplasmic reticulum separately for the rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Thank you.